Good morning, guys. How's it going? My name is Don, and welcome to the Don Show. And I drive a 2019 Hellcat Red Eye, as you guys can see. Black on black, wide body, 797 horsepower. And I got her about 2 years ago at a really good deal, back when the economy was good and there wasn't an inflation. Anyways, before you watch my channel, be sure you hit that like and subscribe. And the first thing that I will be doing is adding a ZL1 add-ons, rock guards. I will be adding those, so I'm gonna go find a good place where I could add those, and then I'll show you guys before and after. As you guys can see, the rock guards will go right here. And the reason they will go here is so when the rocks kick up, it won't be able to hit the side of that side panel right over here. Even though you have film, and the rocks have hit it a lot right here. Even though I did get the ceramic coating and the film, it could still damage it. So it's important that you guys do this. Get the rock guards before when you purchase the car. So that's one thing about this car, is that you could notice it and you can't really notice it from far away. Some people do, some people don't, but you really can't from far away. So once I find a good place somewhere here in America, I'm gonna put these the rock guards right here, over there, on the other side as well, and I'm gonna get skirts, a rear diffuser, a front lip, and I'll do separate videos on that. All right, guys, the Don, I'm back. You guys can see, put the rock guards on. They're sturdy, very well in place. They're not even loose. Gotta put a nail right here. I mean, that looks absolutely bitchin', man. Look at that. I know it's black, you really can't see it from here, but there they are, man. So it's the Don. Putting little accessories. Well, this for sure right here, I'm gonna have to add an extra lip. I'm also gonna get a rear diffuser. I'm gonna get some new wheels. I'm gonna get some Mickey Thompson's 305 45 18s with the Demon wheels, and it might go direct connection. So I'll keep you guys posted. This is the Don.